Wow, it was amazing. I found it really beneficial. I was deeply cynical before I started coming to see him, and I totally believe that it works now because I can see the results. So I can highly recommend it.
Arguably one of the most highly trained experts in mind programming in the world, Kevin Mullin has enhanced the lives of tens of thousands of people. His unique ability to remove anxiety in minutes stems from his equally unique training, which saw him removing negative emotions in the middle of war zones. In a 17-year military career, this decorated British Army warrant officer was trained by Her Majesty's Armed Forces in numerous mind programming techniques, both within military facilities and civilian universities. This rich education allowed him to teach thousands of soldiers, including Prince Harry, to control the various emotions experienced during battle. On leaving the British Army, he worked as a military contractor for American forces in Afghanistan for 6 years before bringing his specialised skill set to the public.
I went to see Kevin about 6 months ago. After 3 sessions, not even 4, 3 sessions, my life just changed.
I would certainly say I've walked out of here a completely different person.
Very sceptical to begin with, but came away feeling relaxed, and I will use some of the techniques.
If I hadn't been introduced to Kevin, then I don't think I'd be here at all. I think I would have eventually definitely ended it, and he's changed my life. He's saved my life.
As a therapist, Kevin has sold out numerous large venues, worked with celebrities, lectured all over the world, and trained many in his techniques. Still more importantly, he's helped thousands of people to change their lives positively, quickly, effectively, and permanently. Now, for the first time, the Masterclass sessions present Kevin Mullin. Manager is a title, leadership is a way of life. In this seminar, you'll learn how to stop managing people and start leading them. You'll increase your confidence, optimize your manner, turbocharge your attitude, and learn to do it all with diligence and enthusiasm. You'll inspire those around you to be the best they can be, which will ultimately make you more happy and financially better off. To reserve your place or become a member, visit themasterclasssessions.com.